Okay. So here's one of them. All right, so they want me to get rid of this. All this stuff needs to come off. Here's the inside of one of these trucks. So it's pretty bad. Just full of dust. Got a lot of dust on them. So I'm gonna go through it with my steamer. See if we can clean this seat up a little bit. Dirt in the crevices. See if we can bring these floors back to life. Something like that. I'll just probably clean it up. Put some solutions finish on there. Hit the windows real good. And a little bit of it. There's some dirt. All that needs to come out. Oh. Dirt on the doors needs to come out. So this is before. All that stuff is dirty, needs to come out. So that's why they call me. I'm a detailer. They want the details done. So we get on it. That needs to be cleaned up. It's not a lot of space inside the cab, but the space that's in here is filthy. So here we go. Okay, so when I'm working on something like this, I mean, I like to degrease first, so I always start at the top of the ceiling, and then I work my way down the A pillars and the B pillars and whatnot. And so it's not really, I like to just go in and soak everything down with this degreaser. Just being careful about, where I spray at the same time, but, I like to get all in here and get inside these vents. I'm definitely not going to spray inside here because that'll be destroyed the moment I spray in there. So everything else is on these trucks, not on SUVs and cars, but on these trucks I can be a little bit more liberal when I'm spraying this stuff because of experience. I've been doing these trucks now for about 1.5 years, so I know what I can spray and what I can't spray. But I'm just going to spray everything down, get my soak on for a minute. All right, and then once I do that, let it set, I like to come back and get a brush and just go through and just brush everything. And I'm going to do the same thing that I do on the average car, SUV. Let it soak, come through, brush, and then come through with my steamer. Okay. And so my only goal here is just to loosen this dirt up. The steamer's going to blow it off. The steamer's going to get all of it. But this right here is just to loosen it up, make it easy for the steamer. Okay. So all I'm trying to do is loosen it up. Come back with my steamer. Okay. I'll blow with my steamer. I'm gonna go in here and blow these vents because that's gonna get all the dirt inside this cabin. Gonna get the dirt in the ventilation system. It's gonna clean the ventilation system out, make it smell a lot better in here. Okay. Okay, so I'm literally, this is my second day on this truck here. Pretty much got it clean, got the floor clean. I got that area clean, but what I did, I put some solutions finish on here to turn this back black because it was faded out. And so what I'm gonna do, since I got the solutions finished out, I'm gonna go ahead and hit the steering wheel. just so I can see if I can bring this steering wheel back to black. Just make it look a lot better than it was. And keep in mind, when I'm doing these trucks, this guy wants these trucks to look new as possible, because he's smart enough to know that, hey, if I can spend a few dollars on the front end, I can get that back at the back end. So he wants it to look. Let's see, I can drop a couple of drips on here, that way I can get it done. I don't know a product better than the Solutions Finish as far as restoring the black back, bringing your black back, baby. This is gonna be the best thing on the market so far, unless somebody knows something else that I don't know. I've tried all back to black products that I've seen on the market. I've been to a lot of detailing forums, message boards, and this Solutions Finish seems to be the best trick. When you have something that was once black and it done faded out, grab some of this Solutions Finish. You get it on Amazon. I'm gonna put a link to it right there at the bottom of this page here. It's called Solutions Finish. Let me show it to you, just in case you're wondering. But other than that, I probably done spent man hours in this truck, probably going on 7 man hours to bring this truck back to life, detail wise anyway. So I'm just gonna put some of the Solutions Finish here.